I have a boy, he's nearly 15 now, and he has Down syndrome. I have a lot of issue of the stigma and discrimination about like my family, about my son, like a disabled boy. For example, like when we first meet someone, like in the Vietnamese people, they always like advise me, like the boy's life thanks to the mom's morals, and the girls is takes from the dad. So try to live better. They do more charity and like helping people. You do a lot of good things, so it have to reduce your son bad karma, something like that. Yeah. And I have another example. Like last year when I took my son to work at Springvale for shopping, and we were waiting at the daily counter to get our stuff, and there's a Vietnamese lady. She's like the same age as my mom's. She started to look at my son, and after that she asked, "Is this boy has disease or something?" I tried to like pretend like I'm not Vietnamese. I don't understand, but after that she keep going, like just try to stare him and try to ask again, like this boy have the face not normal age, not like someone else, and I'm speechless. But my son suddenly he just told me, "Mom, is she Vietnamese? She speaking Vietnamese?" And like at that time, I just took him home straight away, and I feel really like heartbroken. Sometimes he asking me why people look at me like something like that. Like because the Vietnamese culture, I think it's different from another country, because Vietnam is a developing country as well. So Vietnamese people think like someone like did a really bad thing or wrong thing in the previous life. So that's why this life, like I have a boy like disabled like that, and that's the reason why all the Vietnamese disabled kids, like infants as well, the mom and the dad of family, when they found out, or the doctor just say your child like not normal or something, they just left at the hospital. And there's a lot of disabled children in Vietnam were abandoned at hospital, churches, temples, and a center for orphan and disabled children. It's really like we're not comfortable. Almost the Vietnamese parents with special children really not comfortable to like access any service, because somebody just worry about the face, the family's reputation. About my case, like my son, I think it's really good, and he developed a lot when I sent him from the special school to the government school, and like I try to bring him to the community like Sigma, where I've been a volunteer like get him have opportunity to try to join with all the activities of the community. It helped a lot, like he much more confident in his communicating, and social skill improved a lot. advice for my community, maybe don't worry about what people think about your family and your children. Try to access the government service or any service if you can to help your children, because that all the service for them, just try to use for them because they have the right to use that. And disability is not really bad, not the worst. Like there's a lot of things worse than disabled, so don't worry about that. Just try to do as much as you can for your children.